Hey, welcome to a new video. In this video, I want to show you how we can create creative videos without a lot of effort, or maybe without us being creative. That could happen also. But everyone can create creative videos. And that's the purpose of this video. So I want to show you how we can create super creative videos like the video we have right here. I'm going to show you the video right now. And then we are going to replicate this kind of videos using only AI. So this is the kind of video we are going to try to recreate. So let's watch it super fast and see how we can recreate something similar.
You don't need to be creative to come up with creative ideas. You just need this one trick. Most people think creativity is about having some magical talent, but the truth is, great ideas come from one simple process, combining old ideas in new ways. Let me prove it. Steve Jobs didn't invent the touchscreen, the phone, or the internet. He just combined them into the iPhone. Shakespeare? He borrowed plots from old stories and made them better. Even Einstein built on existing physics theories to come up with relativity. So how do you do this? Here's the trick. Idea stacking. And here's how.
Great. So this kind of videos is mixing a really good storytelling, real videos from stock, probably GIFs and images. This is the kind of video that we can recreate with AI. Super easy, super quick. And we will see how we can do it during the video. And yeah, so to recreate this kind of videos, mostly I got it because I went to this YouTube channel, and this YouTube channel with only 4 videos, they are getting a good amount of subscribers, so we can check them. And if we see at the 4 videos that they have published, they are getting really good numbers. So mainly they have 2 videos that are working super fine, so the 2, but then they have the last ones, so probably this one is not getting that many views, but they have a really good multiplier. So probably if we wait just a little bit of weeks, then this video is going to start working also quite good. But you might be thinking, okay, what are those numbers? What is this almost 700 number VPH and this 40 nix number? So these numbers, let me explain it to you super quick. So the first one is how many views per hour is getting this video. So this is how many views per hour is getting the video. And this one, the second one, is the multiplier. So the multiplier is how good this video is performing against the other videos in the channel. So how good is this 40 nix performing against the other videos in the channel? So you can imagine if the number is higher, then this video has a lot of potential and then it's working much better than the rest of the videos in the channel. So this is super useful because then if I go to YouTube or I go to a channel, I can start looking to these numbers and start looking for numbers that are bigger than 3x and recreate this kind of videos. So every video that has a multiplier that is bigger than this has a good opportunity to recreate something similar. And for that, let's use the creativity. Or maybe we don't have the creativity, but we can recreate them. But before going more over in advance, where are these numbers coming? For these numbers, we are using the Vidic Chrome extension. So you can search for it in YouTube and Google, sorry. So if we search for the Vidic Chrome extension in Google, so you can go to the Vidic Chrome extension and search it in Google, Vidic Chrome extension or Vidic Vision for YouTube. And then this is free. It's a free extension from videotok.app. And then you can start looking at all these numbers inside a YouTube channel. And if it's bigger than 3x, I would recommend to recreate a similar idea. But let's see how we can do it. So how to be creative? What I would do is, let's imagine we have a channel. For this channel, it can be whatever. It can be football, it can be NBA, it can be documentary style, it can be tech style, it can be whatever you imagine, celebrities, fiction, whatever. It doesn't matter. You just go to YouTube. Maybe I want to recreate videos that are about tech documentaries or tech motivation documentaries. So for me, it would be like startup documentary motivation, no? Something like this. I would search for this in YouTube. I would click on search, and then here I will start getting some videos, and I will start getting also these multipliers from video. So we will look for a multiplier that is super big, like for example, this 100x, the single biggest reason why startups succeed. Okay, this video is working super well, and it's still getting some good amount of views per hour. So I'm going to recreate this video from 9 years ago, but in my own style, and doing it in the same style like the video we saw from this channel. So how we can do it? First of all, let's use videotok.app. So this is the AI platform I said at the beginning of the video that we can use to recreate this kind of videos super fast and super quick and super easy. And to do that, before signing up on the platform, let me say to you that in the box description, you can find a really good gift. Look in the box description and you will see it. I cannot say anything more. Also, if you like this kind of videos, please give me a like, give me a comment in the video so I know that you like this kind of videos. And also let me know if you want, and also let me know if you want that I explain other concepts or other ideas or any kind of video that you would like to recreate, and I will create a video about those ideas. So let's recreate the video, let's be creative, and let's sign up. I'm inside the platform, I'm inside videotok, and I can start creating videos. We have different options, so create faceless videos, create UGC videos, or create talking avatars. For our option is going to be create faceless videos, because we want to recreate the videos like the YouTube video that we have watched at the beginning. And then we can create custom characters. So for example, for those kind of videos that we want always to have the same character, we can create our own brand and we can clone our voice for the videos. Those things are going to be super useful, all of them. I'm going to go first of everything to create my own brand. Why? We want to have always the same style in our channel, the same style of scripts, the same style of the videos, the same length of the videos. If we create our brand inside videotok, so I'm going to click to create a new brand. So I'm going to go to the right, click on add brand, and now here I have a new brand Centipede. It's just a name. I'm going to give a new name, so it's going to be Creativity Videos. The brand name doesn't matter, just the name that we want. Why is this a good idea? Because to be creative, we have to write really good storytelling. We have to write really good scripts. And to have a really good storytelling, what I'm going to do is to train the AI with scripts that I know that are really good, so that when I give an instruction to the AI inside videotok, that I say, okay, let's recreate a video about Silicon Valley Y Combinator or about the startups stories like Facebook, then it will use all the scripts that I gave to my brand, and then it will recreate a new script in the same style. So this is super useful. We can add hooks also, and we can add call to actions. So hooks is the first sentence inside the video, call to action are the last ones. Like, for example, here we can say, and don't forget, before leaving, don't forget to subscribe and give me a like so I know you like this video. Perfect. So here we have our custom call to action. It says that we have separated each one with a comma, so we can add multiple call to action. So just I'm going to add this to have it all in the same sentence, so it doesn't think that these two are different call to actions. And then here I have to paste the script. For the scripts, what I'm going to do is, I know this YouTube channel does really good scripts, so I've opened each video. So here, and here, I'm going to copy the URL of the video. I'm going to go to Google and search for YouTube transcript. Open the link that you want. For example, I open this one. I'm going to paste the YouTube video, and here I have the transcript of the video. I'm just going to copy it, go into videotok, and here inside the script sample 1, I'm going to paste it. And let's do the same for the script sample 2 and the rest of the videos. So here, generate, I have my script, let's paste it in the script sample 2. Let's do also it for the rest of the videos. Copy script sample 3, let's do it for the 4th video also. We have to, I would say, at least add 5 scripts, more samples. Yes, okay, so here I'm just going to remove the last sentence that says generated with tal, because I don't want that inside my scripts. And then here. So add at least 5 samples. So I'm going to copy one of the samples, because when we gave at least 5 samples to the AI, it's going to recreate better the script. Then let's click on save. The brand is saved successfully. Now I can start to generate my videos. And to be creative, I'm going to click on create faceless video. I'm going to select a brand, and here I'm going to search for creativity videos. And then I can click also on the CTA. Perfect. So now I have the brand selected for creativity videos. Now I can give an instruction to the AI to create a new video. For me, it was why most startups fail. This was a video that was quite successful. in YouTube, so I'm going to try to recreate this. Also, I can add some reference URLs or I can add some YouTube references. So let's add the YouTube reference for it. Going just to copy the URL, paste it here inside VideoTalk, click on add, and here we have the YouTube URL. So now with the script plus the instruction plus the YouTube video, the AI from VideoTalk is going to be able to recreate a script in the same style of these videos, but for what we want. So how to be creative? To be creative, we have to have an idea. For the idea, it doesn't have to be new. So it's not the same as new. We can use past ideas, old ideas, ideas that are working for other people. This is the basic concept. We have to have an idea, but it doesn't have to be new. Like, for example, super famous painters like Pablo Picasso. He said that the art of stealing, it's a really, really good art. So stealing ideas from others, it's an art because you have to steal things that are working or things that you like and then recreate it in your own style. For example, I saw this YouTube channel, I really like the style, and I want to recreate that kind of style for my own ideas, for my own formats. My own ideas are going to be the startup stories or the entrepreneur stories. So I had this idea, it's not something new, the format exists, the format works for others. And then we have to try to copy. So to be creative, we need to copy. Why? If we are copying, we are not creative, not, or we are creative. We are creative. If we copy, we can be super creative because copy is going to give us superpowers to learn. If we copy, we are going to learn a lot. We are going to learn how to create good videos, how to create good storytelling, how to create anything we want, like images, videos, etc. Whatever we want. If we copy a famous YouTuber or we copy whatever we want to create, we are learning. If we are learning recreating videos and videos and videos, then when we want to create something from zero without copying, we are going to be really good because we know already how to create good videos because we have copied a lot of videos. So when we start creating something from zero, we are going to be good from the beginning. So what I would say is, so to be creative, have an idea. Look for something that is working for others and recreate it in your own style. And for that, the AI is going to be super helpful. So let's check how we can continue and doing this with the AI. So I added the YouTube reference, I added my idea, and I added my brand to recreate it in that style. Then for the aspect ratio, I'm going to select 16:9, so these long horizontal videos, and then the duration, I'm going to select auto because we are going to recreate it in the same style of the scripts that I added to my brand. So my brand already knows that the videos have to be with a length determined. Then use custom character, in this case no. And then for the media style, I'm going to go to animated scenes and select real images and stock video, so we can have real images and stock videos. For the language, I'm going to say English, and for the voice style, I'm going to click on my own clone voice. We can add other style of voices also, but I'm going to go for my own clone voice. And then generate video. Now VideoTalk is going to recreate a new script in the style of my brand. So for that was super helpful to give the brand examples so VideoTalk can recreate it. So let's check which is going to be the script of the video. Great, so VideoTalk gave us the script. So here we can look at it and say how it looks. So for example, the approximate length is 2 minutes. So what we are looking for, because these videos from this channel, for example, this one is also 2 minutes. So they are imitating quite well the script, and it says, okay, 90% cross and born within the first year. And it's because of their size. The return truths most found are some problems. You think your rules app is game changing? Cool, but if it doesn't, so we're perfect. So the script looks quite good. We can modify it and change words whatever we want. So I can click on it here and write whatever I want, accept it, and then once we accept the script, now VideoTalk is going to generate image prompts for our video. So when we select the media style, we ask it for 30 images, and in this case it's going to be a mix of 15 images and 50 stock videos. So what is going to give VideoTalk for us? VideoTalk is going to give us the search that is going to do to add images in the video. Like we will see it. For example, it will say image 1. So here we have, so image 1, startup barn. image 2, founder solving difference, app breakthrough, and mid pain point concept. So we can modify also these things. And what this means is that each one of these is going to be like the image or the video that is going to look for in the stock options. So if we have here startup barn, if this one is going to be a Google image, it's like we copy this, we go to Google and we search for startup barn, we go to images, and then you're going to get this image. So the first one is the one that videotok is going to get automatically. Or if we do this for the prompt 2, then it's like if we go to some stock videos, so for example pixels, and then here instead of photos we search for videos and we click on this founder solving indifference. So videotok will get this video, for example, and we'll add it to our video automatically without us having to do anything. So it's important to review these prompts, change for the things that you don't like, so you have better images and better videos in your video without you having to do anything. Once you agree with everything, click on create video, and videotok will start to generate automatically the video. So we can see here that it's generating, and in just a very short time, like 1-2 minutes, we will see the video generated in the platform, and we will be able to enter on it, edit, and modify everything to do it in the same style of the YouTube video that we have watched. So let's wait just 1-2 minutes. Great, so the video has already been generated. We can watch it here. If I hover, I can see this open video. I can click on it and it will open the editor, so I can start working on modifying the video. Then here, if I go to a point in the video here, we see these captions. We can modify them clicking on different options for the captions. So I'm going to go to something like super simple. We click on
startups pour thousands into beautiful products that absolutely nobody wanted. The second killer, running out of cash. Most founders severely underestimate how long it takes to become profitable. They burn through funding like there's an endless supply, hiring too fast, spending on fancy offices, and then panic when they realize they have 3 months of runway left. But here's what really destroys promising.
Great. So here we can see that we have some images, we have some videos, we have everything, but now it is the time when in 5 minutes we are going to modify this video to be super cool. So things that we can do. We can add transitions to our video, we can add backgrounds, and then to have the image or the video over it, then we can choose the layout for the images or videos appearing over our background. We can change the speed, we can remove the image movement or keep it the image movement. And then we can add the music, we can add sound effects, we can change the voice if we want to change it, or we can go here to the media tab, and here it's where all the magic is going to happen, because here I can generate new media with images or videos. So we can generate new images or new videos with AI, or we can search for already existing GIFs, videos, and images. So here in search, I can go to GIFs, search for a startup, for example. Now here I have a lot of GIFs about startups, and I can add them to my media gallery. So then later I can add them to my video. So here, let's search just for things that we like. So this one also from the Silicon Valley series. I really like it. This one also, let's add this one. Yeah, so just go through all the GIFs that you like and we can add them to our video. So once we have all the things that we like, all the GIFs in our video, so here we can watch them, we can start modifying the video. So first, what I'm going to do is add backgrounds to the video. So I really like to have these solid black backgrounds. I'm going to apply them to all, and then I'm going to click on bulk layout and add on original size. So I have the original size of the clip or from the video. Then more things. Then we have the style of the images. Here we have some images that I don't really like them. So what I'm going to do is change them for other things. And if you remember, so here in this kind of video from YouTube, we had some slides like that were like an empty layout, just a color and a word. So to recreate this style, also here, I'm going to search here a color. Like for example, here we can search for green color, and then let's just search for it. If we don't find it, we can. So here, for example, on this one, I like it. If we don't find it, we can search for other things. Like for example, we can search for pastel color and then find an image it's good enough for the video to be added. Like here we have some ideas that could be quite cool. This one with the window, let's add it. And we have some ideas also here, like for example also this one. So here these things are going to be added to the gallery. We can check that's been added. So once it's added, we can scroll down and look at the images here, and then we can add them to the video. Like for example here, I would replace. So I would click here and drag and drop to have it here. So for example, if I go right now here, I'm going to remove the background so the image covers the full size of the video. We can test also the other image. Let's test it. Yeah, with the, or we can test this one also. So to be, yeah, this one, I'm going to leave it this one. And then we have a video, then we have a new image, then this one, it's going to be the same. So I'm going to add the image here. I'm going to remove the background. To remove the background, I can hover over it, click here on select background, and then click on empty. And then if I go here, we again don't have a background. So then we can select for the style of words that we like it more. So for example, it's going to be this one for me. And here we have a video. Then I'm going to leave the video here in the image. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add one of the GIFs. So here, let's see about what it is.
Pix, you're building a business on Quicksand.
Okay, building a business on Quicksand. Let's move these ones. So we have the Quicksands here, and then here I'm going to add the GIF. So here I'm going to add GIF, so drag and drop it here, and here we have the GIF. Then here we have a video, here we have an image. So for the image, I'm going to do the same again. So let's remove the background. Then here we have a video of an explosion. I'm going to remove it with a GIF again. Then the burn through funding, and here let's see the second video we have. So yeah, so this I'm going to add this GIF. It's quite good. So burning through funding. Then for the video here, I'm going to leave it and just add an empty image. So I'm going to remove the background. So just let's modify this super thin, super fast, removing everything we don't like. So this one I'm going to keep it. I've seen co-founders. So here I'm going to add a GIF here, and here I'm going to add another GIF. So we have two GIFs together. And then here, product market fit, let's leave it. So here I'm going to add an image. Let's remove the background from the image. Again, here a repeatable business. So this is a strange process. I'm going to give here, then here this video I will leave it. Let's check this image how it looks.
Will. The most painful failure though, refusing to adapt. The market gives you feedback.
Okay, so the market gives you feedback. I'm going to remove the order to add this one from the feedback here.
So in love with your original vision that you ignore.
Here, this is quite good because it's saying about the original vision that you ignore, and it's Netflix that it's eating Blockbuster. So this is quite good. And can change the order here because it says better from Blockbuster. Problem, solution. Here for the video, let's check this one. Here, I'm going to add a GIF. So I'm going to search for another GIF. So startup idea, and let's search for a GIF that it could be quite good. I don't like this GIF, so I'm going to search for another kind of GIF like a startup Steve Jobs. Let's search for Steve Jobs. Let's add this one. This is quite good. And then I'm going to scroll down and search for the GIF here. So we have it here. And then let's remove this video, add the GIF here. Then we have something, some image. Here we have a video. Then the business model, let's check this text.
Works before scaling. And most importantly, are you
perfect? Because if not, rates of startup failures, this is quite good. And then this is for the subscribe. Let's check the subscribe.
And before leaving, don't forget to subscribe and give me a like so I know you like these videos.
Perfect. I really like those. But I want something. Yeah, here I'm going to add an empty image. So we remove a little bit the layout and everything. And let's remove the background here and here. Perfect. So now I'm going to add sounds, so a music to the video. So it's going to be something cinematic. Share this documentary trailer. Great. So I'm going to select this one. I'm going to remove the image movement and let's check how this looks. I'm going to put the volume higher and let's see.
Percent of startups crash and burn within their first year, and it's not because their ideas suck. The brutal truth, most founders are solving problems that nobody actually cares about. You think your revolutionary app is game-changing? Cool! But if it doesn't solve a real pain point that people will pay to fix, you're building a business on quicksand. I've watched countless startups pour thousands into beautiful products that absolutely nobody wanted. The second killer? Running out of cash. Most founders severely underestimate how long it takes to become profitable. They burn through funding like there's an endless supply, hiring too fast, spending on fancy offices, and then panic when they realize they have 3 months of runway left. But here's what really destroys promising startups: founder drama. Ego battles, unclear responsibilities, and misaligned visions tear companies apart from the inside. I've seen co-founders who were best friends turn into bitter enemies fighting over equity while their business crumbles. Then there's the scaling trap. You get some early traction, a few customers love you, so you immediately try to grow 10x before you've even figured out a repeatable business model. Premature scaling kills more startups than competition ever will. The most painful failure though, refusing to adapt. The market gives you feedback, customers tell you what they actually want, but you're so in love with your original vision that you ignore reality. Remember Blockbuster turning down Netflix? That's the startup version of suicide. If you're building something right now, ask yourself, are you solving a real problem people will pay for? Do you have enough runway? Is your team aligned? Have you proven your model works before scaling? And most importantly, are you listening to what the market is telling you? Because if not, you're already on the path to becoming another startup statistic. And before leaving, don't forget to subscribe and give me a like so I know you like these videos.
Great. So this is working quite well. There's only one change I'm going to do is this image. I don't really like it. So I'm going to search for something. So in my images, these are the images from my past videos. So I'm going to look for a startup and let's add one of the images that I already had in one of my past videos. So it's going to be much nicer than just this kind of image that I don't really like it. So I'm going to add these steps. So let's change that image. So let's change that image. So if you go to the bottom, you will see the image that we added. I'm going to drag and drop it, and here I have my new image. I'm going to change also the layout. So I want it to be like model minimal frame square model. This is square model, like just having like a little square. I'm going to change also the layout. So I'm going to have a mix of original size and a square model. And for the first one, I'm going to change the layout only. So I'm clicking here on layout and adding the square model for the first image. So here in this case, I'm going to have a mix of these squares and then also the original size backgrounds and everything. And I'm going to add transition. So I'm going to add the film burn, the empty and the fade. So here right now in my video we have the transitions and everything. The video is ready to export it. I'm going to export it on full HD, and while the video exports, I'm going to go to publish, go into the YouTube and generate. And here what videotok is going to give me is the title, the description of the video and hashtags that I can just copy and paste inside YouTube. And just quickly like this, we can recreate this style of videos, like being super creative, because as we said, we just need an idea that we copy and recreate in our own style. And using the AI, we can recreate this constantly. So we can have this kind of ideas and recreate this kind of videos creatively with AI. Super easy and super fast. And tools like videotok can help you a lot. So hope you like the video. Give me a like, give me a subscription to the channel, give me a comment in the video if you like it, and hope you like the platform. And any feedback or any kind of video that you want that I recreate, let me know in the comments and I will try to recreate those videos. So see you in the next video.